Kia ora, I'm David Chester with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news of powerful forces at work in both the US and China. All eyes today will be on the opening of the Shanghai equity markets after their week-long holiday. Many think outsized gains are likely. Over that same period, the Hong Kong index rose 12%, and those changes will be in anticipation of the yet-to-be-announced fiscal stimulus program that Beijing has signalled. There are high expectations. But investors are probably sensing they can't lose with the central bank's logic-changing 800 billion yuan capital market support measures in place. But with buy the rumour, sell the fact mentality of many investors, who knows what will happen? Some fund managers will feel they don't want to miss out on a unique profit opportunity. Others are more sceptical the economic fundamentals are not getting proper attention there. And China can afford to throw money at their issues. Their foreign exchange reserves rose by $28 billion to $3.3 trillion in September, slightly more than was expected, and it built it back to its highest level since late 2015. Japan's leading economic index, which was expected to rise slightly, in fact fell, and by quite a dip. In fact, it was their lowest reading since 2020. They'll be hoping this was a rogue result. European retail sales were expected to rise in August, and they did, coming in 0.8% higher in real terms than a year ago for the euro area. But that undershot expectations of a 1% rise. For the wider EU bloc, though, things were slightly better. In the US, Hurricane Milton strengthened to a monster Category 5 hurricane as it races towards Florida's west coast. Cat 5 storms are rare. Given what Helene did recently, which was a Cat 4 storm, residents have begun to flee inland in large numbers. Hopefully, it will lose strength before it hits Florida. It is still deep in the western Caribbean Sea, about 1,000 kilometres from landfall, and is due to hit in about 2 days. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now just on 4.02% and up 5 basis points from yesterday. The price of gold will start today at $2,644 an ounce, down $9 from yesterday. And oil prices are up $2.50 at just on $77 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just on $80.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 61.2 US cents and down 40 basis points from yesterday. Against the Aussie, though, we're unchanged at 90.6 Australian cents, but against the euro, we're down 30 basis points at 55.8 euro cents. That all means our trade weighted index starts today at just over 69.3 and down 30 basis points from yesterday at this time. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.